Hello guys, in this video, I will tell you how you can easily create a second user account on your Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. First, you need to right-click on the Windows icon and then click on Settings. After that, a window like this will open in front of you. Once you are here, you need to click on Accounts. Then, scroll down a bit, and here you will find an option called Other Users. Just click on it. Such an interface will appear in front of you. Now, you need to click on Add Account. Here it is asking for the user's email or phone number. If you want to create this account without providing an email or phone number, then click on I don't have this person's sign-in information. Here Microsoft is suggesting to create a Microsoft account, but we will click on Add User without a Microsoft account. Finally, we have that interface in front of us, where we will create a new user. Here you need to write the username. For example, I write here user2. After that, you need to type a password. Then, you have to enter the same password again. Here it will ask 3 security questions. If you forget the password of this user account, these will help you recover it. Here, you have to select any 3 questions according to your choice and answer them. After that, click on Next. You can see our user2 account has been created. I will show you from here as well. When I click on the Windows icon, you can see that a user2 named account is being displayed. Let me log into this account. I click on the Windows icon and click on My User Account. Here, the user2 account is showing up. I click on it to sign in. Here it is asking for the password, so I enter the password. It will take a little time for the first sign in. So, let's wait a bit. Our second user account is almost ready. As you can see, our user2 account has been successfully signed in. So in this video, we learned how we can easily create another user account on our Windows 11 operating system. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.